If you're considering purchasing sportswear or athletic gear from faunasports.uk, it's important to take a closer look before making any decisions, because this review examines whether Fauna Sports is truly a legitimate online store or if it raises enough red flags to be approached with caution. Faunasports.uk presents itself as a UK-based retailer offering a wide range of sports apparel. But once you dig deeper, several questionable aspects come to light. For starters, the website's domain was only registered in January 2025, which is incredibly recent and uncommon for a store that claims to have an established presence. Additionally, despite its strong UK branding and claims, the company actually seems to be operating out of Hong Kong or China, which raises concerns about shipping times, customs, and product authenticity. When it comes to payments, the situation doesn't get any clearer. Transactions are processed under strange and unrelated business names such as YPS Jersey Ball, making it difficult for customers to verify charges or seek refunds if needed. On the product side, numerous buyers have shared their experiences of receiving items that are far below the quality expected based on the website's images and descriptions, often citing poor materials and shoddy workmanship. Customer service is another major pain point. Many users report that their orders were never fulfilled or shipped, and attempts to contact support go unanswered or are met with vague, unhelpful responses. This lack of transparency and poor communication only adds to the skepticism surrounding the store's reliability. Furthermore, scam detection websites like Eveninsight have flagged faunasports.uk, highlighting it as a potentially risky platform to shop from. While it's not officially labeled a scam, the combination of misleading UK branding, brand new domain registration, odd payment processing names, questionable product quality, and reports of ignored customer queries means that anyone thinking of buying from Fauna Sports should proceed with significant caution. It's always wise to research thoroughly and consider other well-established options before risking your money here.